Fix my hair. We're in the confessional. So yeah, those bins are good to go to. I have a lot of friends that go to them all the time and find good stuff. There's nothing wrong with going to those bins, but you know, it's very competitive. You're gonna have to go there and you might have to fight a kid in a Carhartt jacket. Ready?
Yep.
While the kids are at school, check it out.
It's Monday morning.
The adults go to work. It's time to put that work in.
We're at
these gloves in Texas.
Well, can we tell them where we're at?
Give them a little context.
Tell them where we're at. You just told them we're outside of a school with kids, Blake. It's kind of creepy.
Give them a little context.
Okay, Monday morning, you guys. It's a bin episode. We're at the Goodwill Outlet store. Where is this?
My first
Valley Campus.
Yeah.
What's it called? What's the area? Panorama Bins. Okay, and it's like early as hell. It's before 10 a.m. And we're gonna go up in there. We're gonna see what we can get, and then we're gonna guess. We're gonna guess the weight, and we're gonna say how much it is, and the loser has to pay for it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, Mullet. Let's go. Where'd you go?
Where'd you go? I'm right here.
Right here? Ooh.
So those are our local bins. Hey, those are pretty competitive bins. We go across the United States. I'd say the kids that hang out there, there's some little hellions that live that hang out there. I'd say they live there. We went to about 9 o'clock a.m. They were there. You know, same kids usually. We found a lot of good, decent stuff within being there for what, we were there 45 minutes.
Maybe like an hour and a half.
An hour and a half?
Maybe.
I'd say how much?
What do you mean how much? We gotta tell them what we got. We got like,
check out my gloves.
it's like a bunch of shirts. We got sweatshirts. There's a pair of what is it? Sweatpants?
Yeah, I just found a super rare Def Leppard shirt. Just kidding.
Just kidding. Oh, thanks for the direction, Blake. And then this Ford Mustang. Come on.
That's me. This is a Ford
I
Mustang.
found you.
Right
We usually won't wait for like one bin rotation to go through.
We like pop in, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They bring it out.
We don't stay there for too long. You
do
know?
a toss, and then like.
A little dry today.
But two things we actually got there: the Madonna in sweatpants and the what was it? And
The Mustang,
Ford Mustang, the Mustang
racing jacket.
And that those bins are hell. Those are it's packed full of, you know what I mean.
You're gonna get stuff if you go there for sure. There's just tons of
good stuff.
Things. So.
Okay, how much do you think we got?
Okay, so it's $2.89 per pound here, and I think it's about.
I think we got like 5 pounds.
I think it's closer to like 8 to 10 pounds.
I think we got 10 pounds.
You're gonna guess my guess?
Wait, all right, do your guess.
Okay, I'm gonna say.
$30.
Okay, I'm gonna say. 20. You think I'm gonna say $27.50, and you're gonna say what?
$30.
All right, price is right.
30 or over.
So
You're 27 or under.
Okay.
That was the moment of truth. Oops, wrong way.
Put it up on the scale. 2803. I said 2850.
I said 30.
Ah, you said 30. Look who has to pay.
I was gonna have to pay regardless.
Yeah,
But
and that's how you secure a bag,
Santa
bro.
Claus is coming to town. New listings coming on deadpeopleshit.com.
But anything else to add, Kiki? I'm sorry about how I look. I look like shit in that. I don't look much better here now, but fix my hair. We're in the confessional. So yeah, those bins are good to go to. I have a lot of friends that go to them all the time and find good stuff. There's nothing wrong with going to those bins, but you know, it's very competitive. You're gonna have to go there, and you might have to fight a kid in a Carhartt jacket.
No.
might have to get a scrap over a.
Every bin is different. Every Goodwill Outlet bin is different.
No,
I'm just
kidding.
Different clicks. Everybody's shopping for different things. People they have different politics with the way that they operate the
Yeah,
cart.
we were in Salt Lake City, and we just got back there, and they throw blankets over the bins.
Fitted sheets.
In this episode, we didn't show it, but they were actually. I seen a couple guys actually. I ain't trying to snitch on nobody, but I was saying I seen a couple guys when the employees would turn their back, they grab shit. Totally cool. I don't give a fuck. But in Salt Lake City, I noticed they put blankets over you, so you can't even start scoping. You can't even think about it.
The comforter over the bin when they wheel it out, so you can't see shit. And then people got their carts parked along the edge with the fitted sheet.
But yeah, we had a good time. We'll be back there soon.
Made some money. Good time.
Yeah. Oh, and shout out Goodwill. We actually, Kiki posted the reel.
I made a little reel, so if you follow Dead People Shit on Instagram, you guys.
Didn't Goodwill hit you up to
get your phone.
Reposted it?
Mm-hmm. And then, no, sure, I'm okay, get your phone, go to deadpeopleshit.com. You'll see the Instagram right there if you're not internet savvy, internet, whatever, phone, cable, all that, whatever. Goodwill hit us up and got the reel. And they were like, can we repost it to the blah, blah, blah on their stuff? So
we thought about it and we let them.
We let them because why not? So follow us on Instagram. Like, share, comment, post, repost, tell your people, shop, you guys. All that shit. You already know what to do. Stay following us. Stay tuned to the next episode, you guys. Bye, bye, bye.